Hello my friends, today we're taking a look at FitVille sneakers. So we're going to show you guys the style and I'm going to let you know my opinion after we're done. I have reviewed a fair amount of FitVille sneakers before, so I personally own a lot. I like their style. So this is this style. Now these aren't going to be like hiking sneakers. These are just like skateboarding, scootering, standard walking, maybe a little bit of running. You do have some grip on here, and there's actually these fine little, can you see them sticking out on the top here? Fine little teeth that do give you more grip. And I like the Velcro straps. It reminds me as a kid, I used to have Velcro strap sneakers. This is actually, I think, my first pair since I've been a kid. I wanted to try them out. But yeah, FitVille, they're always comfortable. These seem a little stiff, but obviously all sneakers are stiff when you first get them. You gotta wear them. The tongue, I would say, is light padding. There's not a lot of padding on the tongue. Let's go ahead and see the insole just to see the padding on there. See, that's where they really shine. Like, the insole is super soft. Let's see if we can pull this out here for you guys. So the insoles are really soft at your heel. Super spongy, very thick. It definitely is much thinner up, but that's fine because your support is mainly in here. The pressure, the weight is normally up in here and sometimes up there, depends on your foot stance. But you can see they easily come out. Let's see how hard they are to put back in. Oh, not that hard at all. You just gotta push. Yeah, that was pretty simple. But overall, they are a nice style. I like them. And I love how easy, because, you know, Velcro straps make putting shoes on way faster than tying a lace. I mean, see how easy you can just slide your foot in? I mean, really nice. Like, really simple and easy to do. You know, when I first said they're stiff, they actually mold to your feet very well. Like, they're actually pretty impressive. They're definitely extremely soft. Overall, yeah, I really like these. They're very comfortable. They do look a little big as far as, you know, the style goes. Like on the top, they're really wide. So you're gonna have to like that style. As you can see, they're more like a thicker, bulky type looking shoe. But they're definitely very comfortable, and I don't mind that style. So it's just gonna come down to your personal preference.